Ever wanted your text to shout in uppercase or whisper in lowercase? Python makes it happen with just one line of code. Hello everyone, I am Aarti. Welcome to my channel. This is the 7th video of Basic Python tutorial series. In previous video, I have covered checks and validation specific string functions. In this video, I will cover case conversion string functions in Python. These functions are helpful for standardizing text formatting with just one line of code. Perfect for cleaning messy data or making your output look professional. Let's learn how to use them effectively. In this section, we will look into case conversion specific string functions. The first case conversion function that we will look into is lower. This function converts the given string to lowercase characters. Numbers and symbols remain unchanged. Let's see with examples. In the first cell, we see sample text variable contains sample space text space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, please note S and T are in capital letters. So when we are going to call a lower function on this string, all the characters in this string are supposed to be converted to lowercase characters. And the result of this sample text.lower function is assigned to a variable result, and we have printed the result. So let's execute and check the result. So here you see sample text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where all the characters in this string are converted into a lowercase characters. Similar to lower function, Python provides upper function to convert the string to uppercase characters. In the next cell, sample text contains sample space text space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have called upper function on this sample text variable. So let's execute and check the result. So here you will see we have got the result as sample text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the characters in this string are converted to capital letters. Numbers have remained unchanged. The next string function we will look into is capitalize function. Capitalize function returns a string after converting the first character to uppercase and rest of the characters to lowercase. Now let's see the example of this. So sample text contains sample space text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in sample word, all the letters are in small letters and text has all letters in capital letters. So when we are going to call capitalize function on this text, let's execute and see what result do we get. So here you will see that S is converted to capital letters and rest of the characters in this string are into lowercase. Next string function that we will look into is title. This method returns a string where first character in every word is uppercase, something similar to a header or a title. If the word contains a number or a symbol, first letter after that character will be converted to uppercase. Let's see with the example. So in next cell, sample text contains sample space text space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 underscore space underscore 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 10. So when we are going to call a title method on this sample text, let's execute and see what result do we get. So here you will see first character of the every word is converted to capital letters. For example, S is converted to capital letters of the sample word. T is capital of the text. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers remain unchanged, and F after that number is converted to capital letter space, and underscore 6 S is converted again to a capital letter. The next string function that we will look into is swap case. As the name suggests, it simply swaps the cases. That is, uppercase character in the original string becomes lowercase character, and lowercase character in the original string becomes the uppercase character. So let's see the example of this method as well. So sample text contains sample space text space 1 2 3 4 5, out of which S and T are capital letters. When we have called a swap case function on this sample text, let's execute and see what result do we get. So S and T, which were the capital letters in the original string, are converted to lowercase characters, and rest of the characters which were in lowercase have been converted to capital letters. Numbers, as we have discussed, remain unchanged. The next string function that we will look into is casefold. This method returns a string by converting a string into case folded version, that is, a more aggressive form of the lower function that we have seen previously. This method is useful for cases where case insensitive comparison is required, especially when we are dealing with various Unicode characters and in different languages. That is, in German, sharp S is converted to double S characters. Let's check with examples. So in this case, sample text contains STRA, and this is a sharp S, and which is a German letter, and E. This is a German word and which means street. So when we are going to call a casefold method on this sample text, it is going to be converted to lowercase characters. I have also called a lower function on this sample text just for the checking the comparison result. So here you will see casefold have given us a result where this German character is converted to double S as it was expected. It is a more aggressive form of the lowercase conversion, and wherein a lower function has provided us a result as it is. So let's see one more example. In this case, sample text contains German word for white, and which contains a Unicode character for sharp S. And when we are going to execute a casefold method and lower function on this string, we can note the difference in the lowercase conversion. So here you will see that casefold has given us where this sharp S is converted to double S, wherein lower function has given us the result as it is. Hence, we have seen that casefold is more aggressive and has wider scope while converting the strings to lower case than the lower function.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is just starting in Python. Post your feedback and questions in comment section. Keep learning. See you in the next one.